up today, guys. So you see the shenanigans. We're not working on resurrecting my truck today. We're actually resurrecting Wyatt's GMC. So he's already started the process. As you can see, put a different fender on it. Hood's all fixed. It's over there, wherever there. As you see, it runs. It's only the 305, but it's pretty good. Wyatt, are you excited to get this thing done?
Yeah. Sure. Good time to work on it. Kind of giving it the love that it needs.
That's for sure. I mean, the one nice thing is the interior is way nicer than mine is. It actually has one.
It's clean. There's a little bit of peeling on the
Headliner.
Headliner there.
Nothing too bad.
All the plastic pieces. I got it.
Yeah. Shut this piece of shit off so we ain't burning ourselves to pull the transmission. And that one so we don't hear it ticking anymore. So we got to pull the transmission in this one again. We already put one transmission in it, but Wyatt's really dumb. So
Transmission wasn't great to begin with.
it worked fine until you started doing burnouts with it.
I did one burnout.
And what happened? Transmission said, "See ya."
Yep.
Okay then.
Fourth left the chat.
So we're gonna get this truck started. Well, started the transmission, getting it pulled, and we're gonna see how far we can get. We gotta find something to chock the wheels and get cranking. So here we go. All right, guys. So a little bit of time has passed, and we're trucking right along with this thing. So front drive shaft is out, rear drive shaft is out. I'm about to start pulling. I'm gonna start at the top and work my way down and around. We're gonna start pulling the bell housing bolts. Yep, perfect.
I grabbed some other ones just in case we needed them.
Nice.
But make sure we keep
Ooh,
these
gear wrench. Those are good ones.
separate.
Okay. So I'm gonna do that. We have the rear cross or the cross member underneath all ready to come out as well. We just are gonna have to go get a jack at some point, but I want to get as far as we can before we need that. So without further ado, I'm just gonna set you guys up on the hood of my truck and we're gonna get to it. All right, guys, a lot of time has passed. So, see, transfer case is out. Transmission's out way over there. Bed is loaded up to stitches. And now we're sitting where we need to. New fenders on the other side too.
Show the other bed over there that you got there.
Got the new fender on over there. You can kind of see the bumper sticking up right there. the bumper. There's a new bed sitting there for it. He's gonna take some time over the next few weeks, and he's gonna clean up that frame so we can get that bed on there. And this truck should be running again fairly soon. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it's not the resurrection of mine, but we're saving another one. So that's what's important. Got to keep these old trucks going. So till the next video, peace.